यहाँ पे आपको क्या लग रहा है, यहाँ पे क्या स्टोइकियोमेट्रिक कोएफिशिएंट इक्वल टू 1 है हर किसी रिएक्टेंट और प्रोडक्ट का? नहीं, यहाँ पे स्टोइकियोमेट्रिक कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ HI is 2 and that of hydrogen is 1 and that of iodine is 1. So what does that mean? What does that signify? It means that the rate of decomposition of HI is twice the rate of formation of H2 or rate of formation of iodine. जब हमें अब रेट्स को लिखने हैं, क्या रेट ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन आयोडाइड विल बी इक्वल टू द रेट ऑफ हाइड्रोजन और आयोडीन? Will it be? No, the rate will not be same because rate of decomposition of HI is twice the rate of formation of H2 or I2. So अगर हमें rates को बराबर करना है, if we have to make the rates equal, then we have to divide that stoichiometric coefficient of the hydrogen iodide to its rate. So then rate will be equivalent to 1 minus 1 over 2 of delta HI divided by delta T. That will be equivalent to delta H2 by delta T, and that will be equal to delta I2 by delta T, and that time the rate will be equal. Clear? So for a general, अगर आपके पास एक general reaction है और जहाँ पे stoichiometric coefficients are not equivalent to 1, for example, if you are taking a hypothetical reaction, and if you have to write the rate of the reaction, for making the rates equal, हमें क्या करना है? We have to divide the rate of that reactant or a product by its corresponding stoichiometric coefficient appearing in the balanced chemical equation. जैसे कि यहाँ पे ये stoichiometric coefficient A है, तो we have to divide it by A. यहाँ पे stoichiometric coefficient B है, the rate of this reactant B is divided by B. Clear? Likewise, it would be C and it would be B.